Hey, Eagle family, I'm Damon Williams, Chief of Police here at North Carolina Central University, and welcome to the ultimate homecoming experience. Homecoming at NCCU isn't just a tradition, it's a movement. From Friday, October 17th through Saturday, October 25th, the nest will be full of energy, Eagle pride, and unforgettable memories. Before you arrive, here are a few important things to keep in mind. On Friday, October 24th, visitors can park in the Latham parking deck for $1.50 per hour, or use the park mobile spaces along Nelson Street. On Saturday, October 25th, campus parking will be reserved for NCCU faculty, staff, and students with decals. There will be no general visitor parking on campus that day. Off-campus parking will be available at Durham Tech and several downtown locations. Shuttle services will run from 6 a.m. until 8 p.m. with a $5 round-trip fare. ADA shuttles can be scheduled by calling 919-530-5139 or emailing transportation@nccu.edu. While attending events, remember that metal detectors will be in place and the clear bag policy will be enforced. Bags must be clear and no larger than 12 by 12 by 6 inches. Because of the large crowds, cell phone services may be limited. Be sure to connect to the free Eagles Guest Wi-Fi while you're here. Parade and game day road closures will begin early, so plan ahead and follow the posted signs. We're excited to welcome you home safely for a week filled with pride, community, and celebration. For all event details, visit nccu.edu/homecoming. Please remember, see something, say something, and as always, protect the nest. Eagle pride amplified.